Hey guys, and welcome to Uncover Tech. Today we'll be uncovering this SANNCE 8-channel HD video recorder, and this is the product we got in the delivery. As you can see, nicely packed, and yeah, it's a HD video recorder that comes in packs of 4. This is a 4-pack bundle, and let me pull up the CCTV cameras itself. So this is the packaging they provided us with. SANNCE home security made it easy, and yeah, let me tell you, it's very easy to set up. So let's unbox this now. Let's open it from here. Yep, there we go. And yes, as you can see here, we have 4 cameras in here. So those are the 4 cameras there, and alongside it we have let me just access this. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, along this we have these 4 cables. Before that, let's see, what is this. This is these security stickers they provided that we can stick on. Yes, it's front facing, so you can just stick it inside the house and not outside. Very good. I really like those, so no one can peel it off except from inside the home. And this adds with security, let burglar knows that this is protected by security. And here we have the manual for the turbo HD cameras, 4 cameras we have here, and it shows all the details in here, and yeah, it tells you how to set it up and all those good stuff, as you can see. And yes, so you can see here all the screws and how to position, unscrew, and all those good stuff is there, and how to connect as well to the wires. And speaking of the wires, let's go back to the wires. Yes, this is a power adapter here that comes in 1 and goes out by 4, because I bought the 4 cables one. And yeah, here's the cable itself that connects to the recorder. As you can see, we have those cables here, and this is the power adapter that goes into the adapter cable. Here we have the camera itself. It's a 12 volts camera, SANNCE, it's 1080p camera, which is very good. Let's unbox this. There we go. The camera itself snugly right there. Let's open that up, and yeah, as you can see, they provided with us with the wall plugs as well, with the screw, which is very nice. Yeah, fairly nice. And yeah, there you go. There's the cable. That one is a power cable, and one is the RG59 for the video link. I believe it does record audio as well. I'm not too sure because I haven't tested it properly. When I have tested properly, I just haven't done with the audio as well. Yeah, neatly comes in the pack. Very small camera, not very small, it's a decent sized camera, and it shouldn't be that big, so no one knows that there's cameras as well. And yeah, as you can see, it's very sturdy. You need to unscrew those 2 screws to adjust it, and yeah, you can unscrew this. Yeah, so let me just show you how we can plug in. So there is like 2 different ends, one, as you can see, one with the power adapter coming out, and one used to get in. So you just line it up with the hole there, the not what was it called, a bit raised up, and just push it in and twist. That's all you need to do. Just push it in and twist. Once more, push it in and twist, and that's locked, and it's security lock. It won't come out now. And yeah, that's it. It won't come out as well, so which is very good. Yeah, I will say, when you put it outside, make sure it's under the weather. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not, but yeah. And the power cable, again, just plug it right in. It's plug and play basically. You don't have any manual cutting the wires or anything. And the other end will go to the one with the power adapter, and one to the recorder. As you can see, we have 4 power adapters because this is a 4-pack bundle, but the recorder does support 8 channels, so if you get another pair, it's easy to plug it in. And yeah, so now let's jump back into the SANNCE, the recorder itself. Yeah, very good company. This is video recorder. They provide a lot of security products as well. That's nicely packed into a bubbled filled or air filled pack, which is very good. Comes with this again security tag sticker and a manual as well. I don't think so we're gonna need any manuals because we can just eyeball it from here. It's very easy here to set it up, and yeah, this does have supports for the 8 channel. As I said, 8 channels there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 does support HDMI audio. I think that's USB 2.0, VGA, power, and HDMI, and also supports the Ethernet as well. And this is the back of it, and it has 1 terabyte of space inside. I've checked it, we'll find out later on. And let's peel this off. Plastic, nicely done there. And let's jump back into the setting itself. Make sure you remember this password, and it's going to be very difficult to get it back. So I'm going to set it up. I'm going to blur it out, obviously. To confirm the password, it's going to be your main password. So just put in the password there, and yeah, make sure you follow that. And then next, it says modify password successfully. This is expected. And here you fill out the normal stuff. Make sure you remember all the security questions, notification. If you forget your password, you can reset it using this. And yeah, system configuration, yeah, this is fairly basic. You can just set it up wherever you are located at. Currently I'll located in London, so I'll be doing Dublin, London, Edinburgh. There we go. Make sure you set up. I'm not gonna do this. Yeah, we're gonna set up the system time. Everything is set it up properly. I'm gonna fast forward this. Yeah, so I'm giving just the machine the name, and this is all filled up here, just saying so I can identify which one it is. It's just fairly a basic name. You can add it there, you can change it later on. It's not a biggie. This one can be a lot of settings can be changed. And yeah, if you want to use the app, you can set it up your network as well, so you can connect to your network. It does work on our own, but I prefer to have access to my phone. Obviously I'm going to change those ports as well. And yeah, here's you can download the app and then the ID. And yeah, so click on next. This tells you that everything has been set it up. There's all the details of their business, so you can contact them. If you need any help, you can just email them and they'll be very happy to help you out. And so there you go, we're gonna click next, and as you can see, we have one camera there on my desk. As you can see, it's currently in night mode, but it does switch automatically to day mode as well. So as you can see, it just switched there, and yeah, now it's colored. So during nighttime, it does have infrared sensor in there, so it detects when it's nightfall and when it's daytime. So it automatically switches between the 2 modes, which is fairly good. As you can see, I'm just gonna keep it there, so it just switches back to the night. But as you can see, it just switched to the night infrared cameras now. Is very handy. You can see clearly on those cameras. And yeah, here's the app. We can download the app from the App Store. It's for Google Play Store and Apple Store as well. So it's SANNCE Smart. Make sure you set up everything. If you're logging in for first time, just do register at the bottom. Make sure you do register, and so then you're gonna have access to your phone as well. So I'm gonna put my details, gonna be blurred out as well again here. Yeah, so log in. Yeah, so when we come onto this page, we can see we have 4 grid size. So here you can see your cameras there, and to set it up, you can click on the 3 lines on the top left, as you can see, and then go to device manager. Click on the plus button. Here you can set up your device. I'm going to blur it out. I'm just going to name it home. And if you click on the QR code, you can scan the QR code. There's my QR code, the device ID, and then put the password in that you have set it up. I'm gonna put it in now. It doesn't show, which is very good. The screen recorder of Apple is very good. Once you've done that, it's added successfully. You can change your setting remotely now, so you don't have to go back, so you don't need to have a monitor to change your stuff, password and all that. It's good stuff. So then you can go back to preview. Now click on the top right click click the button, and there you go, you can see the live videos footage from there, which is very good. As you can see, I am moving the cameras, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, it's gonna switch back again, and you can see there is a bit of buffering expected because I'm running on a lot of devices on my network, but yeah, it should be fairly stable, and you can clearly see the images are very clear. I will show you a demo as well just after this, and it will be helpful. And you can save as well, you can save screenshot, you can save recordings as well to your device. So if you go, and there's the files we just saved, the image we saved that can be stored locally. I'm gonna delete it, we don't need it anymore. And yeah, this is not much it. And yeah, there is the recording here. I recorded playback. As you can see, it does record up to how much you have space in the 1 terabyte thing device, sorry, storage. And yeah, you can play back a long time back. As you can see, I'm here, I'm just checking, like going back into like 2-3 days back, and you can see you can scroll through, zoom through, everything is possible in here. And yeah, once the 1 terabyte is full, it just overrides the oldest recording, so it just keeps going on, so you don't have to manually go delete it for the space to make up, but you can set it up in the settings however you want to do. And thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.